Welcome to a library where heritage meets modern technology. Here, the rich legacy of knowledge preserved for centuries is seamlessly integrated with contemporary advancements, creating a smooth, efficient, and secure experience for both patrons and staff. At the heart of this transformation is the latest RFID system, designed to streamline library operations while maintaining the dignity of this historic institution, which has been standing strong since 1821. Under the expert leadership of librarian, Dr. Trupti More, and supported by a team of efficient staff, this library runs smoothly with RFID-enabled stations at the main circulation counter, the first floor, and the acquisition desk. Security has been reinforced with a mono gate at one entrance and a dual-panel system at the other, ensuring seamless, unobstructed access for patrons while maintaining top-notch security. For staff, the handheld RFID reader simplifies inventory management and the retrieval of misplaced books, saving time and enhancing efficiency. The library offers a well-organized periodical section and a vast stack area, ensuring that patrons can easily find and access the resources they need. The digital access area ensures that the library remains a gateway to the latest information, connecting patrons with global resources at their fingertips. For our patrons, the library is now available at their fingertips. Through the mobile app, they can easily access the entire library's resources, including browsing, reservations, and RFID-enabled self-service. Within the library, the cozy lounge area offers a comfortable space for quiet reflection and group discussions, a perfect spot for collaboration or a break from research. Just beyond the library, the lush lawn area offers a serene environment, ideal for quiet contemplation, relaxation, or group discussions in an open, natural setting. At the core of this thriving library are its dedicated staff members, working efficiently behind the scenes to ensure a seamless and enriching experience for all patrons. This library, which has stood the test of time since 1821, was once led by none other than William Wordsworth, the grandson of the great poet William Wordsworth, from 1862 to 1874. Under the able guidance of Dr. Trupti More and supported by a dedicated staff, the library is now a blend of history and innovation. This remarkable blend of history and cutting-edge technology has been made possible by BG's Computers Private Limited, the trusted implementer of advanced RFID solutions, ensuring that the library remains a beacon of knowledge for future generations.